Hello everyone. Welcome to a video demonstration of how to show X, Y, and Z slices at the same time in Tecplot 360EX. I'm going to open up one of the test volume data sets that we have in Tecplot, and I'll use that for our demonstration today. If you don't have the plot sidebar, you'll need to go under View, Plot Sidebar. That's the plot sidebar on the left side of the screen. I want to show my first slice, so I'll click the interactive slicing tool. Here's the button. And I can place my slice interactively on the plane. You see how I'm doing that now. You can change the slice location by clicking in. I can easily change which variable to show as my slice contour. Right-click on the screen, and I can click down and choose my variables. There's pressure, UVW, temperature. Let me change it to temperature. I'll open up the Slice Details dialog next. I'll click the Details ... button to bring up the Slice Details dialog. Notice that we're on X planes. Let me move this a little to show you. On X planes, I can move the planes this way or by clicking the up and down arrows here. I can also enter in my own value by typing it in. Let's say I want to enter 0.35. Click the tab character and you see how it moved the slice there. So I've placed my primary slice. In order to show the other slices in the X and the Z direction, Y and the Z direction, we need to show an additional slice group for each Y and Z. I'm in the Definitions tab. You can click that if it's not already showing. To view the Y slice, I'll click the To button you see here at the top and turn on Show Group To. You see right away how I'm showing that Group To, and it's now in the Y direction. I can move back and forth. Same thing with the Z plane. I'll click Group 3, that button, Show Group 3, and now I can determine where the Z plane is. So those three groups, slice groups, now show my three slices. I can also change my variables that are showing. You notice some show pressure, some show temperature. So let me go ahead and change those. I can click here and make this temperature. I can click here. Slice group 2 is showing. Make that temperature. Click slice group 3. You see when I right click and use the context sensitive menu, I can choose individual slice groups. Click on that, make that temperature, and now I've got the three temperature, the contour is shown on the screen. When the slice tool is selected, you can actually click 1, 2, or 3 on your keyboard. So I clicked 1, I'll click 2, and you notice the different groups. Now I'll click 3, and the different slices are instantly available when I'm in the slice tool. All right, let's set the contour levels for temperature to nice values so that we don't see all the decimal places in the legend as you see now. What we'll do is open the Slice Details dialog, click the ... to the right of Flood By, where we've set the temperature before, and then click Set Levels. I'll choose approximate levels for nice values, leave the number of levels at 15, and click the OK button. You notice how that's changed our dialog box. Now we can click Close and close again. What I can do now is activate lighting effects for the slices so that we can show the intersections of the slices in a more apparent method. So use the Slice Details dialog again. I'll click that open. Let me move it over here so we can see what's going on underneath. We'll go to the Contour tab, and you notice there are some selections for lighting effect, Gouraud. We'll turn that on, and you notice it made my slice in the Z direction a little darker. I can also play with translucency if I wish. I can also go to the other tab and turn the edge on. Let me turn the edge, and I can change the line thickness of the edge. We can do that for the other three slices as well. I was in group 3, slice group 3. I'll go to group 2, turn the edge on, and that's for our slice in the Y direction. Go to Contour, use lighting effect Gouraud, and then finally, let's do it for group 1. We're showing the contours, use lighting effect, and then go to Other and show the edge. Let me close this and show you. So now you see how we've modified the edges and lighting effects to enhance and make the intersections of the slices more apparent. Thank you very much for watching.